In recent decades, we've seen unprecedented growth in the economy, driving production like never before. The transport sector has also followed this trend, with great expansion in motorized public transport and an even bigger rise in private vehicle use. But growth in the economy also means growing ecological impact. We are taking up more and more raw materials from the earth to use them to produce larger cars, more infrastructure, and more fuel to power it all. Their lifespan has become shorter than ever. Most of the materials are thrown away in a landfill. This take, use, throw model in the transport sector significantly contributes to today's major crises: alarming biodiversity loss, escalating climate change, and widespread pollution. The question is there another way? Public transport is already reducing emissions by encouraging a shift away from private vehicles. This sector has been a pioneer in adopting zero-emission vehicles and using renewable energy sources. These are very important first steps, but there is a lot more to do. The linear take, use, throw life cycle of the vehicles, infrastructure, and even energy use needs to be transformed to a circular approach to make it actually sustainable. At the start of the cycle, we need to avoid taking raw materials, using fossil fuels, and redesign our assets to have the least environmental impact. We should also extend their lifespan in many ways and use resources thoughtfully for as long as possible. When assets reach the end of their cycle, we should rather transform them to materials that can be used as inputs for new products. And let's not forget about enabling this whole process in the governance dimension. If you are a public transport professional, you probably know all this. While juggling with everyday operations, the shift to a completely circular approach might seem distant and unrealistic. This is why we developed the Circularity Compass in the CE4CE project. It provides a clear vision of a circular future, a self-assessment tool to see where you are in the process, and a catalog of concrete measures to guide you in this transition. Pioneering transport companies are already using the Circularity Compass to develop strategies, action plans, and pilot projects. Visit the CE4CE Knowledge Platform to access all these resources and join the community of devoted transport professionals who are already working towards a circular, sustainable transport future.